The Savage RGB Pro Panel is a versatile and feature-rich LED panel which offers users a broad range of fine adjustment controls for color temperature, RGB color selection, and even special effects. Let's take a detailed tour through the available settings. For the color correction mode operation, flip the toggle down to the CCT position. Press the intensity/menu button until the menu that says CCT is available. To adjust color temperature, press the color button until CCT is highlighted. Turn the color button clockwise to increase the color temperature or counterclockwise to decrease. To make fine grain adjustments to the selected color temperature, press the color button until GN is highlighted. Turn the color knob clockwise to add grain to the light output. In instances like shooting in an office with fluorescent lights, you can match the color temperature of the panel to the available light in the room, but the output may still be of a higher quality than the fluorescent light. To fix this, you can increase the green within the color temperature to decrease the quality of the panel's light output until the lower light quality of the environment is matched. To adjust brightness at any selected color temperature, turn the intensity button clockwise to increase brightness or counterclockwise to decrease. To fine-tune a selected color temperature, press in the menu button. Turn the menu button clockwise until AGBW dimming is selected. Press the menu button again. The menu will default to the amber adjustment. Here you can adjust the amount of amber in your selected color temperature by turning the menu button clockwise to increase or counterclockwise to decrease. Turn the color button clockwise to G to adjust the green, turn again to the B to adjust the blue, and again to the W or white position to increase or decrease the saturation of the selected color temperature. In addition to manually adjusting the color temperature, the Savage RGB Pro Panel can be quickly set to simulate various common light sources. Press the menu button once. Turn the menu button clockwise to select a light source and press to select. Turn the menu to select the desired light output simulation. Light sources include fluorescent soft white, fluorescent daylight, camera flash, fluorescent cool, snowy day, and more. The Savage RGB Pro Panel can save up to 8 color temperatures of your choice for convenient future use. With the toggle switch to the CCT position, select the settings in the CCT menu you'd like to save. Once you have dialed in the desired settings, press the menu button and turn it until preset temp is selected. Press the menu button again and the preset temps menu should display. Turn the color knob clockwise to select the number 1 through 8 that you wish to be associated with the selected color temperature. After selecting a number for the first time, the panel will go dark. Press the color knob again and the selected color temperature will be saved to that number for future use. To access RGB mode, switch the toggle up to RGB and then press the menu button until the hue is viewed at the top. The panel will default to the hue selection. In this mode, you can select from any of 360 different colors. Press the color button until hue is highlighted. Turn the color knob until the desired color is selected. After the desired color is selected, press the color button once and saturation will be highlighted. This feature allows you to adjust the saturation of the selected color. Turn the color button clockwise to increase saturation or counterclockwise to decrease. Turn the intensity button clockwise to increase brightness or counterclockwise to reduce brightness at any selected color. To fine-tune a selected color, press the menu button. Turn the menu button clockwise until RGBW dimming is highlighted and press to select. The menu will default to the R/red adjustment. Here you can adjust the amount of red in your selected color by turning the menu button clockwise to increase or counterclockwise to decrease. Turn the color button clockwise to G to adjust the green in the selected color, turn again to the B to adjust the blue, and turn again to the W or white position to increase or decrease the saturation of the selected color. Like in CCT mode, you can save up to 8 desired colors for future use. To do so, select a desired RGB color in the Hue menu. Press the menu button once until menu is displayed. Turn the menu button until preset colors is highlighted. Turn the color knob clockwise and select any number 1 through 8 that you would like to save the selected color to and press the color button to select. The panel will then display that color anytime that number is selected. In addition to color correction and RGB modes, the Savage RGB Pro Panel also comes equipped with 35 unique special effect light patterns. To access these effects, make sure you are in RGB mode and press the menu button one time. Turn the menu button clockwise until Cycle Effects is highlighted. While mode is highlighted, turn the Intensity menu button to scroll through the various effects. To increase or decrease the speed of the effect, turn the color knob until speed is highlighted. Turn the Intensity button to adjust the speed. 1 is the slowest speed and 32 is the fastest. The Savage RGB Pro Panel can also be controlled via the Savage Light Manager free mobile app that is available on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to allow users the freedom to move around on set while still maintaining control of the panel. For more information on the Savage RGB Pro Panel, visit savageuniversal.com.